The last month has been a tough one, I'm sure, for everyone. Time has been spent indoors and for good reason. The only cycling I did during this period was with and not on the Brompton. Well, like this. And finally, come 20th of April 2020, I was going to yet again ride to the office. What's new? Maybe just a little, or perhaps a lot. It depends on how one looks at it. In any case, it is certainly worth sharing because I doubt you will get to ride during office hours in such conditions ever again. My trip was marked with a mix of excitement and caution. Soon, some of you will also start traveling to work. Here are 5 reasons you should give cycling a chance and maybe use it as an option. So, you've been shying away from cycling because even as you loved riding as a kid, the grown-up and sensible you finds that traffic and its associated challenges a no-brainer to take up the option of driving to work in your car or traveling in public transport. But with negligible traffic on the roads, there is no better time than this to regain your confidence and maybe rekindle your love for cycling. Second factor, pollution. Well, I don't know if you've recently seen the blue skies. It is actually the sky blue color we have seen and learned as kids. How about taking a ride under God's blue canopy and allowing your hair to be ruffled in the gentle breeze? This is a limited period offer that we humans have been extended by God. Let's snatch it while it lasts. And maybe some of us can contribute to pushing it further. Maybe just a little further. Are you concerned about the pandemic and you don't want to take a metro, a bus, or even a cab? Well, quite frankly, neither do I. Until now, given some of these options, you did not consider cycling. Right across the US and in Europe, people are increasingly taking to cycling to protect themselves and maintain safe social distance. Governments are allocating funds for creating cycling lanes. Yeah, you heard that right. How about giving it a try? Having been indoors has constrained our ability to exercise regularly. Some of us have even gained weight, and at least I have. So I intend losing it fast and getting back to my fitness level within a couple of weeks, all thanks to cycling. There is no better way of utilizing time spent commuting to work. As long back as 2004, a study in the United Kingdom indicated that physical inactivity costs £8.2 billion annually. It could have only gone up since. Another estimate suggests that the amount of cycling in the Netherlands has led to an increase in life expectancy by more than 6 months and saved billions of dollars in public health expenditure. Well, in addition, I was just doing some basic calculations. And you know what I found? Well, cycling can be just about 5% of the total cost of driving to work in a car. Seriously, imagine spending that much money to remain unfit. Instead, you could use it to fund your child's education, travel with your family, or part repay the loan you took for buying a house. Just give it a thought. With all this, my faith in cycling to the office has only been reinforced. If your workplace is not very far from home, I think there is no better time than this to give it a shot. I'll come up with options for people who have their workplace away from their homes, but maybe in a later video. In the meantime, guys, keep healthy and ride safe.